and welcome back to Hagan's New Jersey PIP Tips, where we bring you monthly segments on New Jersey auto insurance, personal injury protection, otherwise known as PIP. Today we're going to be talking about two recent cases I had with little unusual issues. We'll also talk about our upcoming networking event in May. We'll also show you and discuss our spring thank you that went out last month. And then finally we'll talk about our provider of the month, Team MD Surgery Center. And of course, we will pick our new winner for next week. So we hope you're enjoying this wonderful weather we're finally receiving and enjoying your spring on our way to summer. So let's get right to it. So today I want to start out with talking about two recent PIP cases I had with unusual circumstances. The first one was where the insurance carrier unfortunately was Pliga, so we wouldn't even be able to get attorney fees and costs because there's no penalties for Pliga to mishandle your file. But they denied this claim for alleged failure to attend two IMEs. So under the law and most decision point review plans, if you fail to attend two IMEs, your benefits can be terminated. So in other words, if they schedule you for an orthopedic exam, you don't show up, they schedule you for another one, you don't show up, they can terminate all future benefits for that specialty in relation to the diagnosis. What Pliga is trying to do in this case is they're trying to use two different specialties and one that was cured. And so what happened here, there was a particular discipline scheduled for an IME. Unfortunately, the patient missed it. They then rescheduled it. The patient then attended it and therefore cured the missed IME. They then schedule the patient for a different specialty IME and then scheduled them for another different specialty IME. And IME is independent medical exam, although they're not very independent. The patient became confused thinking the other IME, because it was only a week later, was for the same specialty, so he didn't go to the first one. I believe the first one was an orthopedic, the next one was a pain management. So they thought the pain management was the IME they were supposed to go to. And this is a patient who already attended 3 IMEs. So they didn't go. Well, Pliga immediately denies all future care for all specialties, for all treatment, saying that there was 2 missed IMEs. The one prior that was already cured, and then another one with a different specialty. I've argued, and I believe it's sound, that it has to be for that scheduled exam that you missed too. You can't, piggyback one onto another or bundle them together, especially where one was cured, meaning they attended the IME, so there's no harm to the carrier. But unfortunately, Pliga continue to delay and deny this coverage. We might be successful, and we should be successful in arbitration. However, at the end of the day, there's no attorney fees or costs, there's no interest. This patient's just simply left to either go without treatment or hopefully have the doctor agree to treat them under a letter of protection. It's outrageous. So I'm looking forward to resolving that case and hopefully for the patient insured's benefit to their benefit that they win. The other one was over recorded statement. This carrier didn't send notice to the insured, rather they sent it to the law firm only, saying, please contact, we want to schedule a recorded statement. And then they sent maybe another letter saying, please contact, we want to secure a recorded statement. Never scheduled the recorded statement, nor did they ever notify the insured, the patient. They then send a letter saying, due to failure to cooperate, we're denying all coverage. So now we're in arbitration over that one. There's a whole host of other things, but the fundamental thing is they don't schedule a recorded statement date, and so the patient didn't miss anything. And on top of it, the patient never knew about it. They're going to assume that just serving it on an attorney, whether they're the attorney or not, is valid enough, which I submit is not, especially when they're trying to do the draconian measure of denying all coverage. Again, we're waiting for an ARB decision. Hopefully it'll go in our favor for this insured who needs treatment, and the bill should be paid. It's just another, hey, let's take a grasp at some outrageous defense and hopefully it stands up. And worst case scenario, we got to pay attorney fees and costs if we lose. And in the case of the first one, it was pliga, so they don't even have to pay any consequences. So the two unusual that came out rather than your standard medical necessity or fee scheduling. So next I want to talk about our upcoming network event. We are having our first one after 2+ years of not having one because of the pandemic. It's going to be May 11th from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. at Bar Anticipation in Belmar, New Jersey. As you can see here from the invite, there's going to be food, drink, small presentations, great networking opportunities. There's going to be prizes given out. It should be a fabulous night. We've had one previously at Bar Anticipation, and it was an awesome event, and I look forward to another awesome event. We're expecting upwards of 100+ medical providers and attorneys that specialize in personal injury being there. I want to thank our sponsors, as you can see on the invitation. So they help us do these events. So thank you, and we'll be recognizing you that night. Additionally, so if you haven't gotten your invitation yet, for some reason, I emailed them out last week. If for some reason you didn't, please call my office at 732-722-2911, or you can email me at sean@seanhaganlaw.com. We do need an RSVP. Preferably fill out the form, or at least give us all the details asked in the form. This way we can keep track. You can't just show up, unfortunately, because we do have to confirm with the venue in terms of numbers and bracelets and things like that. But it should be a spectacular night, a good opportunity to network with multiple disciplines, providers, and also personal injury attorneys. So I look forward to seeing you there. Additionally, last month we sent out our spring thank you. As you may know, I do a seasonal thank you gift, and this month it was our magazine that were mailed directly to you if you're on the list. It's got some great articles about spring in it, recipes and exercises, things of that nature. So hopefully you got it. Let me know what you think, whether you enjoyed the magazine. It's great for leaving in your office so that patients can read it too and get good stuff. If for some reason you didn't get yours, again, please call or email me and I'll get you out a copy directly from my office. Next, I want to talk about our featured provider of the month. Last month we selected Team MD Surgery Center 1. As you can see from their website here, they're located at 1167 McBride Avenue, Suite 4 in Woodland Park, New Jersey. It is a surgery center. They're available, I believe, 5 days a week with multiple specialties. They offer general surgery, orthopedic, podiatry, vascular, pain management, spine. So all these are the type of surgeries that get performed at the center. You can either call them at 973-567-4162. I'm sorry, that's 973-567-4162. Or you can go online at teammdsurgerycenter.com and you can book your appointment there. If you need to find a doctor within one of these specialties, you can also, they will assist you in getting you with a doctor, and you can see those doctors on the website. So thank you, Team MD for Surgery Center, for being part of our program, and congratulations. So next, I want to pick the winner for next month. As you know, anytime you communicate with my office, whether it's phone calls, emails, faxes, regular mail, snail mail, whether you're sending arbitrations or just have a question about how do I deal with this issue in PIP or personal injury or my medical practice, we enter you in a drawing. It's been a busy month this month with a lot going on and a lot coming in. So we pick you and then we feature you the following month. If you don't win this month, there's always next. So keep those correspondences, calls coming, and of course be sending your arbitrations to be filed at no cost to you. So we appreciate everyone who participates. And the winner this week is Kenneth DiCarlo, DC. Congratulations, Dr. DiCarlo. We'll be in touch to get information for next month's video. And congratulations again. Well, we hope you enjoyed this month's video. We got a lot of great things happening and things to come. I look forward to seeing you soon. If you found this video helpful, useful, please like, share, and subscribe to the links below. We're never too busy for your kind PIP and personal injury referrals. Thank you, and God bless.